Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How's the Josh? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? कैसे इंडस्ट्री को बढ़ाएंगे यार? ये जोश है, नीचे मीटिंग चालू है, जोश वाले जोश में आके वहाँ पे एसोसिएशन कर रहे हैं. Good. I think by the time my friend gives me access to my presentation on behalf of Nicholas, he couldn't travel for this particular session, but myself, I'm representing Nick, my best friend, with Rekha. Rekha, if you can stand up. We both are here. A lot been talked about the entire subject. The major focus here for Polyphen, I think we saw a couple of reports with EPS, PU, PIR, rock wool, and here comes the next generation material, which is, my God, Polyphen. Combination of phenolic foam and expanded polystyrene beads can create miracles. What? It has got FM Global Class 1 accredited, FM 4880, and most important 4882. I don't have to explain this anymore. We had great sessions. We had Yasser, we had other speakers, and where is Lalit? I must compliment you for your great research papers. I've seen first research guy who has really studied the subject, and it was coming through your every answer. What he said, if you really want to get over the sort of your competitors, one, integrated approach, and second, add value to your product, and this is the real value for your product. Right now, Polyphen has these technologies in use in Australia, Netherlands, Thailand, and South Africa. What are the salient features? As I said, if you see, it is a good fireproof, fire-resistant material. It has great sustainability values. I'll show you through some videos. It has very good acoustic performance, each and everything. I think somebody asked how you can make a choice of a panel. There are so many dimensions: functional, then aesthetical, performance-based, and user requirements, weatherability, and all those things. There is not a single fit for all. I think we need to understand that. But here comes a product which can address more than 85% of your sandwich panel performance requirements. It's suitable for all applications: cold stores, data centers, warehouses, steel, manufacturing, and you name. I think you know the markets for each and every market, for each and every application. Specifically, the value add will give you a lot of strength and cutting edge when you are talking about data centers, semiconductor facilities, because it has got ASTM E119 approval also. We've been talking and seeing very good data from morning. I'm really happy. I must compliment Ajay and entire team. Let's clap for them. I was part of this entire execution, the India growth story. And when I had given this thought, and it is getting really fulfilled in a really great way. We had Mr. Srinivas to open up and list out all. I think his pitch will make available for all of you, because that's where we need to look. And here comes the product, here comes the system, where you can really address those situations very, very effectively. How it works? So it has, as I said, beads of expanded polystyrene. At 140 degrees, they vaporize, and at 300 degrees, they get burned. And it creates a honeycomb structure, which imparts those all great characteristics for fire safety. We will just see this video. So there are 5 different samples. It's a very simple way. I think I can say layman's way. You can look at EPS in the left bottom corner, FM40, FR50 are the grades of Polyphen, PU and PIR. Just see at EPS, it's getting completely evaporated, a void is getting created, droplets are getting created, and then see the other performances. There are proper tests which Yasser and team actually explained. So this is the way the core materials, and again I'll emphasize, when we talk about actual product assemblies, we need to talk about entire assembly. So let's go. This is another test, very simple test to show you the performance. These are various applications, right from clean rooms, whatever we discussed in the morning. You can have this core in each and every application. You can use it through discontinuous lines. You can use it through continuous lines. I think it fit for all such manufacturing operations also. Just to summarize, 90 meter fire rating, ASTM E119, the major highlight, ISO 834, BS47, part 20, 9705 room corner test, UBC 26, I think Yasser gave an excellent presentation and video, 4880, 4882. Somebody mentioned about smoke, and these all high-tech facilities are very much important when it comes to smoke, even the life safety. So give proper attention here. So these are certain tests. You saw this test. I will not spend much time. These are the results for 4880 corner test, 4882. See the scale. These are real-time, practical, real-scale tests. Physical properties are at par, conductivity is at par with materials available. This is acoustic data. Here come solar. Please take this very seriously. Solar installations are not safe, and there are standards, and there are incidents. I think recently Amazon banned using PV solars on their warehouses because they had a very massive loss in states. So be careful when you suggest such things over combustible surfaces. This is the summary for entire product. The product can be made in buns, billets. It's a similar like PU and PIR, raising foam technology with the patented chemicals and inputs. These buns can be cut into slabs, or they can be integrated in a continuous line, and then we can really have this as a new core material to replace so many things in existing availability of materials. RS wall insulation, you can do this with the slabs, absolutely no problem. And recycling data. Sustainability, this passes every test. The most important aspect, HCN. PU and PIR groups are very bad at HCN. This product has great value there. No smoke as well as no HCN, very important. So in nutshell, Polyphen is here to offer this technology to panel manufacturers. You can contact me anytime, or you can contact Rekha anytime. She's here to help you. We are here for entire day, and definitely we'll meet over cocktail and dinner. Maybe that time when I will ask you, how's the Josh? You'll say, hi, sir. Thank you.